decided to do a quick little video on making some Orgonite, but I'm going to attempt to make something a little bit larger. I usually make smaller ones. Let me get this in focus. Yeah, I got a long telephoto lens on here. There we go. So, I usually make little ones for around the house, friends, some family members, things like that. Okay, not so much, but... So basically, I always like to have some sage burning. Any different kind of incense will do, but it's good for cleansing. Oh, I'm gonna have to get a different camera for this, but so basically, you find some kind of mold. You're gonna get resin. There's all different kinds. This is what I have left. Is this Easy Cast. I get a variety of crystals. I dug these actually up in Arkansas not too long ago. These I didn't. These have the black tourmaline in quartz. Those are really good for protection. I always use these copper BBs. I don't know if I can get that in there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to probably shoot this with something different, but yep, copper BBs, blurry. And then what I like to do is always, I don't have this as an example, but this one is I always wrap the crystal in the middle with copper wire spiraling up. So think of like a number 9. And what you do is you pretty much just mix a little bit of the resin and you want to do always equal parts. Add little copper BBs, add your crystals. I always do different gadgets. These are some dried roses I can add, and then some glitter actually adds a little sparkle. But my next project I'm going to start here is I'm going to take, I got this glass container. I'm going to probably go back and get more of these. I got these copper pipes at Home Depot, and I'm going to fill the bottom with resin and copper BBs and put these all, probably like about 4 of these, 4 or 5. Fill these up with these crystals here. And I always like to soak the crystals in salt water before, and you can program them for the purpose of healing, keeping away a lot of the, or diffusing a lot of the elf waves, a lot of the toxic frequencies that we're bombarded with. A lot of you guys might be being more introduced to Orgonite now because of all the towers you see going up. So this is a good way to kind of deflect that. So what else do I want to say? So yeah, so be creative with it. It's something that I've been doing for the past couple of years and kind of experimenting with. But hopefully this will come out great, and then I'll start moving on to a lot larger pieces I can put around the property and doing kind of a positive frequency rent. So, alright, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.